hell is that thing following us? Hey, Aaron, and somebody's following us. Get that thing off of my trail! I gotta dip into the woods so they can't find us. It's still following us. Right in the puddle. KTM. I think if you put it in sport mode, you should be able to make it.
I don't think so.
I almost made it higher than you. Got the old bitch back up and ripping. He didn't make it, guys. He sucks. But I got a fucking rock. My rocker 7 wedged in my chain there and it just locked up on me. But we got it. Ooh, I don't know if he can fit up here. can fit up here. Yeah, it's a little deep. Should we take the long way?
Yeah.
That's 45 minutes.
He gets himself into it. He deserves it.
I still won't learn my lesson.
Like the first 5 times he got help.
See, that's how it's done. Okay, can I do third? I don't think I have enough of a run at it. Time to show this little panty waist how to ride a fucking bike. The key is to wheelie the hill. Yeah. Okay guys, now that I showed Aaron how to use his dirt bike, he's gonna try to get up this hill in second gear, because that's what I was doing it in. He just doesn't know how to ride his dirt bike. And it's kind of funny because I'm the worst rider in our group. And he can't even, like, I only made it to right here. I didn't even make it all the way up. Kind of hope he loops it. You didn't make it.
No.
Okay, attempt number 2 for Aaron to hit this in second. And he's slipping his clutch again. That was clean. Nobody else wants to fucking ride with us, so we gotta get the cool kids out.